Okay, next we'll go with the sixth question. Find n if n minus 1 p3 is to np4 is equal to 1:9. Okay, this can be written in n minus 1 p3 by np4, which will be equal to 1/9. Okay, next, first you write the permutation formula. npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is the permutation formula. Substitute this formula to find value of n. Okay, you will get n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 3 factorial whole divided by np4 is nothing but n factorial by n minus 4 factorial, which will be equal to 1/9. Okay, which will be equal to n minus 1 factorial by n minus 4 factorial whole divided by n factorial can be written in n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, whole divided by n minus 4 factorial is equal to 1/9. Here n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial cancel, n minus 1 cancel. Okay, this will become 1 by n. Then 1 by n is equal to 1/9. Okay, then cross multiply where n is equal to 9. Value of n is equal to 9. Next we'll go with the seventh question. Find r if first question is 5pr is equal to 2 into 6pr minus 1. Okay, second one is 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 1. Okay, in first question we need to find r, in second question also we need to find r. Okay, consider first question. 5pr is equal to 2 into 6pr minus 1. This is separate. Okay, 2 into 6pr minus 1. Okay, first you write the permutation formula. npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let this permutation formula be equation number 1. Then apply this formula in LHS and RHS. Okay, LHS 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial, which will be equal to 2 into 6 factorial by 6 minus of r minus 1 factorial. Okay, na. Okay, next 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial, which will be equal to 2 into 6 factorial can be written in 6 into 5 factorial. Then whole divided by multiply minus 6 minus r plus 1 whole factorial. 5 factorial cancel. 6 to the 12. Okay, 1 by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 12 by 6 plus 1 is 7 minus r factorial. Okay, 7 minus r factorial. Okay, 7 minus r factorial can be written in 7 minus r into 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial. Okay, this term. Okay, then substitute 1 by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 12 by 7 minus r into 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial. 5 minus r factorial, 5 minus r factorial cancel. This will become 1. 1 is equal to 12 by 7 minus r into 6 minus r. Okay, multiply. Okay, otherwise cross multiply. You will get 7 minus r into 6 minus r, which will be equal to 12. Okay, if this whole term go this side means this will become 1 na. Okay, then multiply this 7 minus r into 6 minus r is equal to 12. If you multiply 7 6 42 minus 7, 7 into minus r is equal to 7r, minus r into 6 is minus 6r, minus r into minus r is plus r square, which will be equal to 12. Bring this 12 this side. Okay, r square minus 7 minus 6 is nothing but 13r, then plus 42 minus 12 will be equal to 0. 12 will come this side. R square minus 13r, then plus 30. 42 minus 12 is 30 is equal to 0. Okay, split the middle term. Okay, no, 1 into 30 is equal to 30. 30 splitting middle term is 3 tens are. Okay, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. To become 13, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 3. Okay, you can substitute r square minus 10r minus 3r. Minus 10r minus 3r is nothing but minus 13. Okay, plus 30 is equal to 0. Take r common. R common, r minus 10, take 3 common. Minus 3 minus, plus r minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, plus r is equal to 0. You will get r minus 10 into r minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, r is equal to 10, r is equal to 3. Okay, we have got two values of r. What is the n value? For this term n is equal to 5. For this term n is equal to 6. Okay, according to the permutation formula, r cannot be more than n. Okay, our given question is 5pr is equal to 2 into 6pr minus 1, where n is equal to 5 in this term, n is equal to 6 in this RHS side. Okay, so 5 6 is not greater than 10 so this cannot be r. R is equal to 3. R will be lesser than n. R cannot be more than n, so r is equal to 3. Okay, next we'll go with second part of 7th question. Find r. Second part is 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 1. Okay, 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 1. First you write the permutation formula. Npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let this permutation formula be equation number 1. Okay, according to substitute, this is LHS and this one is RHS. Okay, 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 1, where n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6. Okay, substitute in the permutation formula. Okay, 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial, which will be equal to RHS side, 6 factorial by 6 minus r minus 1 factorial. Okay, this can be written in 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial, which was 6 factorial can be written in 6 into 5 factorial. Keep on decreasing. Okay, then 6 minus into plus r is minus r, minus into minus 1 is plus 1 whole factorial. 5 factorial cancel, then this will become 1 by 5 minus r factorial, which will be equal to 6 by 6 plus 1 is 7 minus r factorial. Okay, 7 minus r factorial can be written in 7 minus r, 6 minus r, 5 minus r factorial. Okay, you can bring this to 5 minus r factorial so that it can be cancelled. Okay, then 1 by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 6 by 7 minus r 6 minus r 5 minus r factorial. 5 minus r factorial cancel, then 1 is equal to 6 by 7 minus r into 6 minus r, cross multiply. Okay, 7 minus r into 6 minus r, which will be equal to 6. Multiply this, 7 6 42, then minus r into 6 is equal to minus 6r, minus 7 into plus 7 into minus r is minus 7r, then plus r square is equal to 6. Okay, r square plus minus 13r plus 42 is equal to 6. Bring this 6 this side. Okay, r square minus 13r plus 42 minus 6 is equal to 0. When plus 6 comes inside, it will become minus 6. R square minus 13r plus 36 is equal to 0. Split the middle term. Okay, 1 into 36 is equal to 36. 36 is 3, 12s are 3, 4s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are. Okay, you can write 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. 9 plus 4 is nothing but 13. Or you can split r square minus 9r minus 4r plus 36 is equal to 0. Minus 9 minus 4 is nothing but minus 13. Splitting the middle term. Take r common, r minus 9 minus, take 4 common, r minus 9 is equal to 0. R minus 9, r minus 4 is equal to 0. R is equal to plus 9, r is equal to plus 4. Okay, in starting of the question I have told n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 5 in LHS, n is equal to 6 in RHS. Okay, given question is 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 1. N is equal to 5 na? N is equal to 6. Okay, 5 and 9 is not greater, 5 and 6 is not greater than r is equal to 9. 9, okay. N will not be, r cannot be higher than n. This is the condition. R cannot be higher than n. Okay, r is equal to 9, r is equal to 4. Okay, highest number, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6. R cannot be higher than n. Okay, na? Highest value of n is 6, na? So r is equal to 9. R cannot be 9. Okay, so r is equal to 4. Thus, r value is 4 for np, 5p r is equal to 6p r minus 1. Next, we will go with 8th question. Next, we will go with the 8th question. How many words with or without meaning can be made or formed using all the letter of the word given is equation, equation, using each letter exactly once. Okay, each letter exactly once. Each letter exactly once means no letter are repeated again. Okay, given equation equation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers, where n is 7 8 n is equal to 8 numbers. Okay, n is equal to total number of object, which is 8. Okay, No letter are repeated means you have to use permutation formula. First you write the permutation formula. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let this permutation formula be equation number 1. Okay. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters? All the letters means we need to get all 8 boxes. We need to find all 8 digits. Okay, this is first one, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh box and eighth box. Okay, all the letter can be used where no letters are repeated. Okay, with the given letters EQUATION. Okay, where R is equal to 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, substitute n is equal to 8, r is equal to 8 in equation number 1. Okay, npr is equal to 8pr is equal to n factorial is np8, sorry, np8 is equal to 8 factorial by n is 8, r is 8, 8 minus 8 factorial. Okay, 8 factorial by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is nothing but 1. Okay, now 8p8 is equal to 8 factorial by 1, which is nothing but 8 factorial. Okay, 8p8 is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 8p8 is equal to 40320. Okay. Okay, how many words with or without meaning can be formed? Okay, how many words without meaning can be formed is nothing but 40320 words can be formed. Okay. Okay, ninth question. How many words with or without meaning can be made or formed from the letter of the word Monday, Monday, assuming that no letters is repeated? Assuming that no letters is repeated means you have to use permutation formula. Permutation formula is equal to npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let this permutation formula be equation number 1. Okay, if first one 4 letters are used at a time, only 4 letters in Monday, 4 letters are used, MOND. Okay, second one all letters are used at a time, then all 6 letters. Then third one all letters are used but first letter is vowel. Vowel is nothing but A E I O U. Vowel is A E I O U. Okay na. Next, according to the given question, word is nothing but Monday. 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 1 2 3 4 5 6. N is equal to 6. Okay, no letter are repeated means permutation formula. No letter are repeated means permutation formula. Next, we will go with the how many words without meaning can be formed. We have to find same as 8th question. Okay, first you go with first one. 4 letter are used at a time. 4 letter are used at a time. Okay, n is equal to 6. Okay, 4 letter means we need to find 4 letter. 1 2 3 4. Okay, r is equal to 4. NPR is equal to 6p4. R is equal to 4 na, 6p4. Okay, substitute n is equal to 6, r is equal to 4 in equation number 1. Okay, you will get 6p4 is equal to 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial, which will be equal to 6 factorial can be written in 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 into 1. 2 to cancel. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Okay. 6p4 is equal to 360. Okay. 4 letters are used at a time. Okay. 360 words can be made or formed with or without meaning. Okay, next we need to go with second one. All letter are used at a time. All letter means MONDAY. All four letters. Okay, for this we have used MOND only. Next we are going to use all the letter. 6 letters. Okay, second one is all letters are used at a time. Okay, all means 6 na, where n is equal to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, MONDAY. Okay, we need to find R is equal to 6. Okay, MONDAY. All letters means 6 letters. Okay, substitute n is equal to 6, R is equal to 6 in equation number 1. NPR. Okay, NPR is equal to 6p6. Substitute n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, n is 6 factorial by 6 minus 6 factorial, which will be equal to 6 factorial by 6 minus 6 is 0 factorial, which is nothing but 6 factorial. Okay, 6p6 is equal to 6 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 6p6 is equal to 720. Okay, all letters are used at a time means 720 words can be made or formed without or with or without meaning. Okay, where no letters are repeated. Okay, next we need to find third one. Okay, given is Monday, all letters are used but first two letters are vowel. Vowel is nothing but A, E, I, O, U. In Monday, how many numbers are vowels? M. O is vowel. Okay, N is not D, no. A is vowel. O, A. Okay, two letters are vowel. Okay, two letters are vowel. Okay, vowels is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, according to the given word, Monday, Monday consists of two vowel. O, comma A is nothing but two vowels. Okay, all letter are used, but first letter is vowel. All letter means we have to find 6. With the help of 6 letter, we need to find the word with word formed with or without meaning. 6. Okay, where first letter is vowel. Vowel. Okay, this can be O or A, and all other terms is M N D Y. Okay, next all other term will be M N D Y. This M N D Y is not an vowel. Okay, for first term it will become vowel. Okay, for this, without repeating, first you write the permutation formula. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, for the first term, total number of vowel is n is equal to 2. Okay, we need to find only first position means r is equal to 1. Okay, NPR is nothing but 2p1 for first term. To find first term, 2p1 is over. Then into then 5 letters are there to find. We have 4 letter. If if you write 0 here means A will come this side na, AMNDY. Okay, so you need to find, you have got, you can, if A is O is here means cancel this O, A will come this side. Okay, MNDYA. Okay, total number of term N is equal to 5. Okay, you need to find 5 digit, R is equal to 5. Okay, now NPR is equal to 5P5 for this 5 letters. Okay, for this one 2P1 into 5P5. Okay, substitute or apply permutation formula. You will get 2 factorial by 2 minus 1 factorial into 5 factorial by 5 minus 5 factorial. You will get 2 into 1 by 2 1 factorial 1 is equal to 5 factorial by 0 factorial. You will get 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but you will get around 240 is the answer. Okay, 240 words can be, okay, 240 words is the answer. 240 words can be formed without or without meaning, where first letter will be vowel. 2 vowels are there, N is equal to 2. We need first letter will be only one vowel in that 2. If first vowel is O, then A automatically it will come in another letter. Okay, then 2, N is equal to 2, R is equal to 1. In this, if first letter is gone, no letter should be repeated. So remove the O. MNDAY. Okay, N is equal to 5. We need to find 5 letters now. R is equal to 5. 2P1 into 5P5. You will get 240 words can be made.